Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to blur a specific object on your Capcut mobile. You can adding this effect on your Capcut desktop too, but today I'm just going to show you the way how to do it on your phone. And first, open your Capcut, open a new project and add a video that you want to adding a blur on the object. So first, I already adding this video onto my project and I would like to blur this foot or these shoes, this one. I would like to try to blur the shoe of this man on this clip to give you an example how to adding the effect. Okay, click the clip and after that duplicate the clip, duplicate it, and on the duplicated clip swipe left the toolbar, make it as an overlay like this and then move the position onto the same duration as the first clip, just like that. And now the second part, you need to click the overlay clip, this one, click it and adding an effect of blur effect. Click effect and then fill the search bar and type blur like this and then search it. There will be plenty of choice of an effect. You can use any option that you want, but for me I would like to try this blur, this one. Okay, go back to the clip like this, and now the next step, you need to add a mask. Click mask, make sure that you click the second clip on the overlay, the overlay clip and then click the mask, add a circle mask or a rectangle. It's any shape of mask that you want to use, depend on your video or the object that you want to blur. For example, I'm going to use this circle mask, and now the next part, you just need to decrease or increase the size of the mask and don't forget to invert it like this. Okay, after that, this is the important things. You need to add a keyframe onto each clip duration. This one, the first duration, click keyframe and then move the clip like this until it's moving. And now move the mask following the object of your video like this. And then swipe the clip again. Make sure that the mask is following the object like this and like this. And the last part, and in the end of the video, in the end of the clip, I will adding a last mask. Okay, this one. And after finish, this is the result that you will get. As you can see, the object that I want to blur, it's get blurred, but the other element on this clip, it's not blurred at all. And that's the way how to create this effect and adding it onto your clip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.